Hey guys, it's Chrissy. Thank you for clicking on the channel. Today we are going to try to make one of these HelloFresh. This one is the honey mustard chicken with fried onions and green beans with some garlic toast on the side. Now HelloFresh is pretty awesome. It comes with everything you need in your little bag here. So here's just some of the ingredients: the bread for the toast, the chicken, all of the seasonings that go with the chicken, and then the green beans. And hopefully this is going to be pretty easy. It gives you the directions on how to make everything step by step. So let's get started. All right, guys, so we have pulled our chicken cutlets out and we grabbed some napkins, and we're just going to pat each one of these chicken cutlets dry. Once we've got them all patted off, we're going to grab our salt and pepper. I'm just using Himalayan salt, and I have a coarse black pepper that we are going to put on both sides of our chicken. Okay, now we're going to put on some honey mustard that was also provided to us. We're just going to put a little bit on the top part of the chicken. They did give some good tips that if you don't have a brush, you can use the back side of a spoon and just make sure you smear that all on the top of each one of those chicken cutlets. And now we're going to move on to the next step. The next step is adding the cheese. This is Parmesan cheese. Again, everything is provided for you in the packet, and the instructions are pretty easy. So we're going to cover just the top side of the chicken with the cheese, and we're going to make sure if you're doing, it has directions for if you're cooking 2 or if you're cooking all 4. So it's very easy to follow and very easy to read. So we're just going to get these guys covered with the cheese. And then we're going to add on some of these fried onions to make it crispy. Again, same thing, right on top of the cheese. We're just going to layer this on top of the chicken. And make sure your oven is preheated. I do believe it was 375 because we're fixing to put these guys in the oven. Once you've got your onions on, you're going to place the chickens into the oven for 5 minutes. While your chicken is cooking for that 5 minutes, we are going to go ahead and prep the green beans. So make sure you wash your green beans, and then we're going to trim the ends off. And just like that, we have all of our green beans trimmed and rinsed, and we're going to put some olive oil, basic seasonings with salt and pepper, same salt and pepper that I used on the chicken. All right, and then we're just gonna give it a toss around, and it's gonna go into the oven with the chicken for, oopsie, lost a green bean. I lost another green bean. It's gonna go into the oven for 12 minutes. And after 12 minutes, both the chicken is finished. Look at that, looks pretty good. And then the green beans are done too. Hey guys, so I did film me tasting the honey mustard HelloFresh chicken, but I couldn't find it anywhere on my camera, so I don't know if just didn't hit the button all the way or whatever. But this is actually the next day. So here's the honey mustard chicken with the cheese and the fried onions and then the green beans. And then I have the garlic toast. I actually didn't have this garlic toast when I ate it the first time just because I wasn't wanting any bread, so let's give it a try. It's pretty nice. I didn't show you when I made that. I just put the garlic powder that they gave us into some butter and then just made it on the stovetop, like in a skillet. And when I tried this chicken the first time around, it was delicious. So let's see if leftovers are just the same. They are. And I did not get this from HelloFresh. My friend gave it to me, but it's very easy to make. That's why I don't like trying my food on camera, because I don't like talking with food in my mouth and I hate sitting there chewing. But anyways, this one was awesome, super simple to make, and I'll probably be trying it out myself hopefully soon. Thanks guys.